Hi, hi students, how are you? This is Madhavi Madam Chemistry. Today we'll discuss about important class 12 CBSE topic, that is solutions. So solutions, we'll today discuss the classification of solutions. Before going to classification, we have to discuss what is the solution, definition of solution, what is binary solution, what is ternary solution, what is quaternary solution. Okay, let us start the session. Before going to the session, if you like my video, please share, subscribe my video. Thank you. So today, types of solutions. Types of solutions. So here, before going to types of solution, what is a solution? What is solution? Solution is nothing but a homogeneous mixture of a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Two or more components. A homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be vary with the certain limits. Is called as solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be vary with certain limits is called as solution. So by taking one example, I will explain the definition. So here example, so I am taking sugar solution. How to prepare this sugar solution? Okay, so here I am taking one beaker. In this beaker, I am adding 50 ml of water. For this, I am adding one spatula of sugar. Okay, then our sugar solution is prepared. Okay, so this is example for our solution, sugar solution. Means here a homogeneous mixture. How you can say this is homogeneous mixture means if you taste one drop of this sugar solution, you know the taste of sweet. Okay, now means you have to observe the uniform distribution throughout the mixture. Okay, now that is homogeneous mixture. Okay, now homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Here how many components we taken? Two components. One is sugar, the other one is water. So this sugar solution is made up from two components, sugar and water, a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be vary with certain limits. So in this solution, whose composition may be vary with certain limits means here we are taking water 50 ml means more quantity, and sugar we are taking less quantity. Yes or no? If you increase the sugar quantity, what will happen? That will not become as a homogeneous mixture. Understand? So solution means a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be vary with certain limits. That is called as a solution. So example, that is so sugar solution. If you take a salt solution also example, you can prepare instead of sugar solution if you add salt to water, so that is called as salt solution. Okay, now and here we have some concept about some terminology is there. Okay, so what is solution? Solution must ensure that will be have one solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. This is then only this is called as a solution. What is solute, madam? What is the solvent, madam? Solute is nothing but the component which is present in smaller quantity. The component which is present in smaller quantity in a solution is called as solute. and the component which is present in larger quantity. The component which is present in larger quantity, that is called as a solvent. The component which is present in smaller quantity, that is solute, and the component which is present in larger quantity, that is called as solvent. So in this sugar solution, what is solute? Sugar is a solute. Sugar is a solute because we taken only one spatula of sugar. Yes or no? And the larger quantity one what? 50 ml of water. Okay, now. So water as a solvent. Got clarity, I think? Yes. Okay. So homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition may be vary with certain limits, that is called as solution. So here we are taking an example, sugar solution. Solution is nothing but solute plus solvent. Solute is nothing but the component which is present in smaller quantity, that is called as solute, and the component which is present in larger quantity, that is called as a solvent. Okay, so basing on the number of components, the solutions are: one is binary solution. Binary solution. What is meant by binary solution, ma? Binary solution means the solution which contains only two components. It contains how many components? Two components. That type of solutions are called binary solutions. Okay, example just before sugar solution. Sugar and water as a components. Sugar solution. Salt solution. These are all examples for binary solution. And then if the number of components are present in a solution are 3, that is called as ternary solution. Okay, so ternary solution. Ternary solution. Ternary solution. Okay, so the solution which contains three components. Three components. The solution which contains three components, that is called as ternary solution. Example, if you take sugar, salt solution, means here sugar is one component, salt is another component, and water is third component. Totally how many components are present in this solution? 3 components. That's why this is called as ternary solution. Okay, this third one. If the solution that is contains 4 components, okay, that is called as quaternary solution. Quaternary solution. Okay, means the solution which contains 4 components. 4 components. The solution which contains 4 components, that is called as a quaternary solution. Example, happily in summer season we are drinking lemonade. Lemonade means which contains lemon juice plus sugar plus salt plus water. And here how many components? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 components are present. That's why this is example for lemonade, is example for quaternary solution. And one more very important point in the regarding NEET also, solution always containing only one solvent, and that may be contains more number of solutes. Okay, now but solvent always will be one. Okay, so this is simple. What is the definition of solution and examples, and basing on the number of components, binary solutions, ternary solutions, quaternary solution. But in our class 12 CBSE, we only discussed regarding binary solutions only. Okay, binary solutions means 2 components solutions only we will discuss. Okay, 2 component solutions only.